Chiles Solar here at my latest install here in beautiful Simpsonville, South Carolina. Just wanted to send out a quick message. If you are anywhere actually in South Carolina and you are considering converting your property to renewable energy, whether it's a residential home, business, or church, I just want to let you know the best way to go solar is with a trusted consultant. And that's what we are here at Chiles Solar. Again, visit my website, cchilessolar.com. Schedule an appointment with me. I'll come out. I'll qualify your home. I'll qualify your ability to generate power. And we will exhaust all avenues of helping you convert your home to renewable energy in the most customer advantageous way. Again, not every home is right for solar. Not every homeowner will qualify. But give me a call today. Go to my website, www.cchilessolar.com. Book an appointment with me, and I will help you convert your home over to renewable energy. Again, the best way to go solar is with a trusted consultant, and to get your solar, Chiles Solar at cchilessolar.com. Thank you.
To get your solar, see Chiles Solar. To get your solar, see Chiles Solar. To get your solar, see Chiles Solar. To get your solar, see Chiles Solar.